So I have a smart home, and Amazon Alexa is one of the main things that runs my smart home. But a lot of the things that I also have tied there with a product called Home Assistant, I am really waiting for somebody to come out with a really smart AI assistant that uses the LLMs and makes Home Assistant much more predictive. So a lot of my automations, you had started off, a given time of day. Nowadays, it's based off of what are the conditions of when sunset is. We can make them smarter. But I'm also starting to see and use at my own house, as well as I know a number of other people in that home automation space, are using things such as when I'm in the garage, it's going to turn on the lights and it's going to keep them on using a occupant. I hope everybody enjoys this. If you guys are not already, please subscribe to this channel. It helps us to get you notified when we have great videos like this coming out. Thanks.